it's your girl Kissherkicks, back with another flick. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because it's only gonna get lit. Ayy, up in this bed. And guys, you know what time it is. No hit alert!
No hit alert!
Let's go. You guys know I love some new heat. You already know. You see the box. You know that's a one box right there. And I'm so excited about this shoe. Everybody kept saying that it was an ugly shoe. But then somehow, some way, it sold out very quick on Sneakers app. Sold out very quick in stores. So somebody's lying, man. Somebody's lying. I knew from the start that I wanted this shoe, regardless of what people said, and I said I wasn't paying nothing above retail for them, and I keep my word. I was so happy that I was able to, get this shoe at retail price plus tax, you know what I'm saying? But it's really paying off, starting to build a lot of these shoe relationships, and people are really coming through for me, family, friends, whatever. I really appreciate it, man. So you already know, today we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro OG GS. How you pronounce this? Barbecue brown, racer pink, black. Size 5. Retail is $130. With tax in this area, I think it was about $138, something like that. And I'm so excited about this shoe because it reminds me a lot about the a lot of the undefeated SB highs. Yeah, I think that's the one. You already know I will put a picture right up here. And yes, go ahead. Let's go ahead and open this box. Man, my box is it's not in that great of a condition, but I ain't mad because I got the shoe, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and open that on up. Whew. Whew. Y'all can't believe y'all was out here saying that this shoe is ugly. Y'all need to be slapped. A lot of y'all need to be slapped, bro. Yes, yeah. Oh my gosh. By far one of my best or my favorite Jordan 1s have come out this year. Oh my goodness. The leather quality of that brown, the suede. Oh my goodness, there's so many different things going on with this shoe. How can you not like it? Y'all are some haters. Y'all are some haters. But let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, in the back we have like this barbecue brown, and it's like a suede-ish. Yes, you already know. I love that they have the swoosh as this metallic silver, and then followed up we have that brown. So it is a lot of different. I don't know who picked the colorway, but I like the concept. I feel like if you don't like this shoe, you probably really don't have much style, and you don't know how to dress the shoe, and that's probably why you don't like it, because there's a lot going on with the shoe. At the sole you have this like electric green or lime green, I want to say. Toe box we have like this sky blue. Then around that toe box and going up you have like this navy blue. And then let's not forget about the tongue where it's like this orange. You know what I'm saying? The Nike sign is pink. Inside the shoe you also have this pink. And then in the inner sole you have like this blue with the pinkish. So it's a lot going on with the shoe. I love it though, man. And you already know how I feel. I love the lace swaps. Boy, I really do. So this one came with a black lace swap and a pink lace swap. And I mean, I might actually put these on my feet today. I ain't got the perfect outfit to go with them, but now I'm looking. I got this the little silver on my shirt. Got black on. I got like some olive pants on. I don't really do the matchy thing anyway, so I'm gonna put this shoe on for you guys today. I think I can do that. But yes, I know this shoe, like I said, it sold out super fast. A lot of people kept saying it was ugly. There was a lot of delays in shipments. So I know, for instance, today our shipment came late. Because if you don't know, I do work at a sneaker store. Our shipment came late, so we actually could not sell them until we got the okay to sell the shoe, which was actually today, and it was on some first come first serve. So hopefully if you are in the same area as me, you were able to get the shoe. I know it was super limited for kids, So that's why I'm impressed. I'm so hyped that I was able to get this in my size. Yes, sir. Man, let's put these laces on real quick, dog. I can't. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Were you guys able to get this shoe? How did you feel about this shoe? Do you think this is one of the best ones that came out this year? Now think about it. We got some pretty solid ones that came out this year. The tie-dye ones, as I'm looking up here. You got the smoke gray ones. You got the satin ones. You got these. I don't know. Am I missing something? Let me know. Let me know. Let's go ahead and put these laces on. You heard me? Oh, I hate when they do this with the laces, dog. Only thing that sucks, I've been spoiled. I've been spoiled because, like, working for a shoe store, depending on the shoe. Oh, shoot, I missed the hole. Working for a shoe store, depending on the shoe, you can actually get a discount on the shoe. Unfortunately, my store did not get these in kids, so I had to do a lot more work. I really had to put in some work for these joints. And it was wild. It was wild. Yeah. But, you know what I'm saying? Got some good people in my corner, and they really did come out in the clutch for me, and I really appreciate that. Y'all already know how this goes. I don't even know why I'm sitting here talking to you guys. I'm putting these laces on. Let's go ahead and speed this up, and I will be right back. If you look right here on the backs, has the electric green too. That's pretty cool. So we got one. Got one, and you know, I'm gonna lace it up a little bit better. Yeah, and on to the pink. Then we got the pink. Boy, my God. Let's get a little close up. One with the pink laces. Oh. And then you got the black laces. And you know what? Let's go ahead and put these joints on my feet so you guys can see what they look like. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, hold on real quick, guys. Y'all, so that actually concludes today's video. Let me know what you think about these shoes. Were you able to get them, or you know, did you take that L like a lot of people have been taking as of lately? I know it's hard in the sneaker world, man, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell, and we will see you guys next time. And remember, it's only gonna get lit. Hey, up in this bit. Peace.